Hey learners, how are you all? Welcome to Let's Learn from the Heart. This is Vaishali and today I have brought second part for you specially, that 3D Shapes formulae regarding its volume. In last video we talked about surface area with shortcut tricks, and today also I will tell you this whole formulae of 3D shapes especially for its volume. That also I will tell here with shortcut tricks, so that you can keep this all formulae in your mind forever. You will never forget if you learn this whole formulae with these tricks. So stay with me till the end of this video, because you will get here all shortcut tricks for remembering formulae of 3D shapes. So let's get started. I hope you enjoyed my last video that where I had given some explanation and some shortcut tricks of surface area. That was actually the formula of surface area of 3D shapes. If you haven't watched that video, don't worry, I'll give link of that video in the description box below. So let's start today's topic, that formula for 3D shapes and especially for volume. So as you can see on the screen, on the board, that is volume of cube. First of all, first shape is what? Volume of cube. Here you have to remember only short things. That cube volume means what? First of all, volume means what? Means how much space occupied inside that. Just like I am taking the example of this cone. So how much air, how much water, how much anything can occupy by this cone, that is the volume. So first of all, let's talk about the volume of cube. Yes, as we know, in cube, volume of cube means here we find L is equal to B is equal to H, because all length, breadth and height are equal in cube. That's why its formula is L cube. Its formula is what? L cube. Do you understand this? Now in cuboid, volume of cuboid, here L, B, H are not equal. That's why here formula is what? L into B into H. Clear? In cube we find all length, breadth and height are equal. That's why formula is L cube. But in cuboid, this length, breadth and height we do not find equal. Where? In cuboid. That's why formula become L into B into H. Very easy. Similar way, you have to keep in mind only one thing for keeping mind that volume of cylinder and volume of cone, and that thing is what? Only pi r square h. Actually, if you think that thing also, you don't have to keep in your mind. Very easy it is. As you can see, this is the shape of cylinder. Okay, so shape of cylinder, this is base and its formula we know that pi r square. What is that formula? Pi r square. And this is the height. Okay, this is what? Height. Let's write it h. Okay, so what is the combination of this both? That pi r square h. This is the formula for volume of cylinder. What is that? Pi r square h. Okay, and how this formula made up? Because base is pi r square and one is height, that is pi r square. Very easy. And the same formula we find in cone also, but only one thing we have to join there, that is 1 by 3 pi r square h. What is that? 1 by 3 pi r square h. This was the volume of cube. Now let's move to our next shape. What is that? Volume of sphere. Volume of sphere, again very easy, that is 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi r cube. One short trick I would like to tell you here, that volume of sphere and volume of hemisphere. Here one thing is common, that is pi r cube. What is that? Pi r cube. You have to change in here 4 only. In place of 4 you have to write 2, and the formula is 2 by 3 pi r cube. Very easy. Let's take a quick revision of this all. What is that? volume of cube, because here we find LBH all are equal, that's why L cube. Easy. And in cuboid we do not find LBH are equal, that's why we do its multiplication, that is LBH. Volume of cuboid is what? LBH. Next, volume of cylinder. We know the shape of cylinder. We find, okay, whatever we will put here, for that we don't have to count this portion. Don't think that why we do not count here this one, why we count only here, because in cylinder shape if we want to put anything here, so this is the cap only, so we will not count it, only we have to count this base, okay, and this height. So that's why base is pi r square and this height, and combination is what? Pi r square h, and that is volume of cylinder. Easy. And the same formula you have to write for cone also, but only one thing you have to add here, that is 1/3. Again easy. Next trick is what? Volume of sphere. What is that? 4/3 pi r cube. Here for sphere and for hemisphere, pi r cube, this is common, same. You have to keep in your mind only 4/3 in place of 4 in hemisphere, because hemisphere is just like this, hemi, half. So we have to do half of this 4, 2/3. Easy. So I hope you like these all tricks to keep all this formula in mind. If you like this content, if you like this way, if you like this video, please press on like button, share it and subscribe my channel. Yes, don't forget to press on bell icon button, because after this also I will make some amazing videos which will be helpful for you. So that's why press on bell icon button so that you can get all notifications of my video. Thank you so much for watching.